everyone, welcome back to the channel where we deep dive into the latest crypto news and updates, making everything simple and easy to understand. Today we've got some big developments for you. If you are keeping an eye on Cardano ADA, you know things are heating up, and Cardano might just be on the verge of a major breakout. Now let me ask you this. Could ADA finally be making its run towards the $5 mark? With recent moves in the market and some serious buzz around upcoming upgrades, this could be the moment that Cardano ADA holders have been waiting for. But before I get into the details, let me know in the comments below, do you think Cardano can hit $5 anytime soon, or have we still got a long way to go? Let's start a conversation. What's your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. If you're as excited about ADA's potential as I am, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Let's go and take a look at everything Cardano. So let's start here. Breaking ADA news. Cardano is making a serious play for $5, sparking intense speculation in the crypto space. If you thought ADA was done for this year, you can think again. The current market momentum combined with the latest developments on the Cardano blockchain could be the catalyst to push ADA into uncharted territory. Stick around to see if this is just hype or if it's backed by Cardano's powerful DeFi infrastructure and staking rewards. So let's dive into the latest Cardano updates, especially with the buzz about the smart contracts and staking ecosystem. As we know, the Cardano blockchain has been steadily evolving, and ADA's price prediction for 2024 is looking more bullish than ever. Analysts are pointing to the fact that Cardano ADA is positioning itself as a leader in the DeFi space, offering massive potential for staking rewards and adoption. Right now, market sentiment around Cardano is turning bullish again. The $5 target is becoming more feasible as both on-chain activity and Cardano's staking participation are on the rise. In the short term, ADA has some strong resistance to break, but if it does, we could quickly see the price run up nice and high. In the long-term outlook, this is even more promising, with Cardano's development roadmap and decentralized finance features positioning it as a major player in the blockchain world. But what do you think? Will Cardano ADA break $5 before the end of the year, or do you think that we've got some hurdles that we still need to overcome? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's get a conversation started. And if you're staking ADA, share your experiences. We have the cheek pool. You can go obviously delegate your ADA to that. And look, let me know, do the rewards live up to all the hype? So, I mean, in my opinion, Cardano's fundamentals are strong and as strong as ever, in fact, but the real alpha lies in its upcoming projects. Keep an eye on Cardano's DeFi future and expansion of its ecosystem, especially with more applications launching on the Cardano platform. This could drive a significant price rally, especially if smart contract adoption increases. With Cardano making a clear play for $5, now could be a great time to watch closely, especially if you're already in the staking game. I wouldn't be surprised if ADA moves quickly once the current market sentiment picks up momentum. And it goes without saying, don't forget to smash that like button if you're bullish on Cardano's future, and subscribe for more ADA price predictions and blockchain updates. Let's continue the conversation down in the Discord as well, which is free to join. So let's get into the next article. This is really big. Apologies, my voice keeps, going randomly halfway through doing a segment in the recording. So we might just cut this video up quite a lot as I struggle to get the information out. But yeah, look, not in any pain, just for some reason my voice just randomly keeps coming and going. But look, massive news, massive Cardano whale activity. Did you know that Cardano's whale transactions has spiked 100% in the past 24 hours? crazy numbers. This could be an early signal of a bullish breakout for ADA that everybody's been waiting for. Cardano whales are making moves and big moves at that. And historically, this kind of activity or trends precede a major price shift. Could we be on the cusp of an imminent surge to the upside for ADA? Let's break it down. With Cardano price predictions turning bullish, especially after whale movement, it's time to pay close attention to the latest Cardano updates. Right now, the Cardano blockchain is seeing increased ADA whale activity, which could push ADA staking rewards and Cardano smart contracts into the spotlight. The recent spike in large transactions could signal growing confidence in ADA's future, especially in the DeFi ecosystem, and if the DeFi ecosystem continues to evolve. Currently, market sentiment around Cardano is bullish, especially with the surge in whale activity. In the short term, we could see ADA attempt to break through key resistance levels. If it does, we might witness a rally that pushes ADA closer to the $1 mark. If psychology barriers for many investors long term, Cardano's strong fundamentals, including staking rewards and a robust DeFi ecosystem, suggest a continued uptrend as adoption grows, together with the way that the market is reacting currently, which has been really bullish, let's be frank. But what do you think? Are these whales just teasing or testing the water? Or is this the beginning of something very big for Cardano ADA? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're staking ADA, how's the rewards looking these days? Let me know. Really interested to get your views and opinions. Now, in my view and my opinion, this uptick in whale activity could be a key catalyst for Cardano to for its price to break out. Typically, when we start seeing whales making these types of moves, it is a sign we're gearing up for something quite big. With Cardano's roadmap packed with developments in smart contracts and DeFi, I wouldn't be surprised to see a significant price rally very soon. Moving on, Charles Hoskinson just dropped a major revelation. Did you know that top venture capitalists recently snubbed Cardano ADA in their latest crypto report? This has sparked some pretty intense debate in the community. Why is a project as strong as Cardano being overlooked by the major players? Stick around because we're deep diving into the reasons behind this and what it means for the future of Cardano ADA. Right, let's break it down. In the latest Cardano news, founder Charles Hoskinson fired back, explaining why particular VCs have chosen to sideline Cardano ADA despite its robust blockchain updates, innovative smart contracts, and rapidly growing staking ecosystem. As we've seen, Cardano's fundamentals are stronger than ever. So why the snub? And look, when we take a look at market sentiment around Cardano, it is mixed. On one hand, you've got the Cardano community remaining bullish on the project long term and its long term potential. On the other hand, being passed over by a major venture capital firm might create short term uncertainty. However, Cardano's DeFi developments, staking rewards, and obviously upcoming milestones on their roadmap point to a positive picture for the long haul. In the short term, we could see some sideways action before we see a major move to the upside. Now, if we actually look, Charles basically says VCs write about what they're invested in and what they can profit from, and that is, basically what he's saying. The rationale behind, Cardano ADA being overlooked. So, what's your take on this? Do you think venture capitalists are missing out on ADA's potential, or do they have a point? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Is ADA something that you hold? Do you have any concerns about what you're seeing in the news? And if so, what are your thoughts on the long-term potential for Cardano ADA? Now, look, when it comes to my opinion, this snub from venture capitalists might just be a missed opportunity on their part. Cardano's consistent development in smart contracts and staking rewards show that the blockchain is far from being overlooked by the community or the crypto market in general. I believe that Cardano's DeFi future is bright and that the report doesn't change the fact that Cardano ADA continues to be one of the most innovative projects in the crypto space. I have also highlighted that it is one of the most accumulated altcoins over the past 12 months. So for me, the real alpha is under the hood and the fact that it's actually built with longevity in mind, whereas I know from a personal, viewpoint, from conversations that I've had with like the Solana Foundation and various other projects, some projects are just focused on the here and now, and they're not focused on the long term. And look, we need to be quite clear. Cardano moves quite slowly, and there's probably money quicker, quicker money to be made, I guess, by these VCs this bull market, in some of these other altcoins with really big narratives. But let me know your thoughts and opinions. So moving on to the next article, Cardano stuck in a neutral zone. ADA has been consolidating for weeks, hovering in a tight range that investors are wondering now when will ADA and Cardano actually break out. What does ADA need to finally move higher? Stick around because we're going to delve into this article that plans to tell us. So let's break it down. In the latest Cardano update, ADA has been struggling to gain momentum and it's sitting in a neutral zone as traders anticipate the next price shift. With key resistance levels just ahead, the market is asking, what does Cardano need to break through? Right now, analysts are closely watching Cardano's smart contracts, if I can get my words out, and DeFi ecosystem as major drivers that could push ADA past these barriers. Additionally, ADA's staking continues to grow, providing a solid foundation for long-term holders. At the moment, though, the market sentiment is still neutral, but has a lot of potential, right, when we kind of consider Cardano. But it still needs a catalyst in the short term. We could see ADA continue to move sideways unless there's a significant update from the team or a market-wide rally. Long term, however, Cardano's fundamentals remain very bullish. With its growing DeFi presence, continuous development on the blockchain, it's just a matter of time before ADA breaks out and moves to the upside. So what do you think? Is Cardano just waiting for the right moment to break out, or is there more sideways action to be had? Drop your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. And what are your thoughts on the maturing DeFi aspect to the Cardano ecosystem? In my opinion, Cardano does need a strong catalyst to break out of its neutral zone. I believe the next major Cardano blockchain update or an increase in smart contract activity could be the push that ADA needs to break through key resistance levels. Keep your eye on Cardano's roadmap and news related to upcoming projects. It could be the alpha that takes ADA to the next level. Personally, I'm still really bullish on Cardano ADA for the long term, but in the short term, traders might need to stay patient. So it kind of goes without saying, if you're bullish on Cardano, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And I will catch you in tomorrow's video. Take care.